Oh, chiggy briggy! Wake up! Grab brush, put on makeup! Those are actually guiding something. Some sort of cache or some sort. Oh, wait, not. Just because I'm drunk doesn't mean I have to be stupid. Yeah, no it doesn't. There's a vortex right there. Thank God I checked. What? Did I? Oh, fuck it. Vodka's cheap.